Download and install Google Fit application from Play Store. It's a free application from Google for health and activity tracking. Once the application opens up, it will ask you to log in using your Gmail account. And the subsequent screen, you can see your key information, and you can also update them. Allow application to track the activities, give access to your location, and these are normal settings. The app allows you to track hard points as well as steps, and hard points are basically score that you get for high intensity workout. You can choose the daily goal on this screen. That's all. You get this kind of a dashboard where you have you can update information such as your weight or key vitals like blood pressure. The application also provides you option with journal, where it has a track of all the activities that you perform. If you add an activity, it gives you a lot of options of activities that you can choose from. Each activity will have its corresponding hard points award, and you can enter calories in kilometers. And that's all. Enjoy this free app. All the best. That's all for the day. See you tomorrow. Comment your attendance, like, share and subscribe.